These instructions detail how to start working with the Ultima Wallet app. We will explain how to download and create a new Ultima Wallet from scratch. So, download the app from the App Store if your smartphone runs on iOS or Play Market if you use Android. Open the app. The first time you launch it, select Create New on the Start screen. This will start the process of creating your wallet. As with many apps, the first thing you'll be asked to do is create and confirm a PIN. Do this. After that, the application will generate your mnemonic phrase, which you can use to restore access to your wallet if necessary. Please be careful at this stage. This phrase is the key to the safety of your funds. We recommend writing it down on a piece of paper. Do not keep the mnemonic phrase on electronic devices and do not share it with anyone. To continue using the app, you need to verify your mnemonic phrase. To do this, click on Next, then enter your phrase, all 12 words in the correct order, and click on Verify. If everything's been done correctly, a congratulatory message will appear. Never share your mnemonic phrase. We wish you pleasant work.